Yeah. So I was talking about signposts. What are the signpost words for number 2, Harsh?
Number 2, classes,
Small classes and uske pehle offers.
offer,
Okay.
First,
Yes. What is the signpost for number 3, Rishabh?
discount
Discount.
and
नहीं, उसके
clients.
पहले क्या आएगा?
Clients.
Clients. Return. Return is the keyword.
Return.
Return is the keyword. Okay.
Okay. What is the signpost for this number 4, Roshni?
Food.
Food. What is the signpost for number 5, Harsh?
recipes,
Includes to strengthen.
Includes.
Strengthen. So some strengthening is happening. ठीक है?
strengthen.
So all this your smart brains will process in that 5 or 10 minutes. So they will give you the sheet. They will give you the answer sheet. You will fill in your candidate number, your name and all. And you should use a pencil if you're using paper-based test. Computer-based test, you have to just type anyway. There won't be any spell check. So you have to, with a hawk's eye, look at all the answers there. Ready? So let me
Yes,
play
Yes.
this. Let's see how it goes.
Test is in 4 sections. At the end of the test, you will be given 10 minutes to transfer your answers to an answer sheet.
By the way, do you have a notebook ready?
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Please write 1 to 20 and 21 to 40. Harsh,
Yes.
Sir,
Yes,
just a moment.
sir, just a moment.
Roshni, ready?
Yes, sir. I'm ready.
What is the meaning of plethora, Roshni?
A large quantity or in a large amount.
What is the meaning of epitome?
I forgot. I don't remember.
What's the meaning of serendipity?
A happy surprise.
What is the meaning of hyperbole?
Hyperbole.
Find out.
Gradual increase in a curve.
No.
Actually, this word came in. Okay, I'll find it.
Where it came?
In physics.
No. That is
Hyperbole.
hyperbola. That is not
Oh,
that is
yes.
hyperbola. This is hyperbole. किधर है भाई वो notebook वाला है ऋषभ?
Yes.
हो गया sir.
Yes,
Ready?
sir. Right.
Ready? बोलने का ना वापस
Yes,
आ
sir.
जाए. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Now turn to section 1.
See, you will have
Section
this time.
1. You will hear a telephone conversation between a woman who wants to attend a cookery class and an official at a tourist information center. First, you have some time to look at questions 1 to 6.
So during this time, you have to see all these issues: signpost, seasonal products, food studio, cookery class, focus, other. Discuss how your eyes should move. Bonds, cookery school, food that is strengthens. So underline करने का pencil है तो. Free every Thursday, mainly food located near, sometimes available. Okay. Then you wait. You have to be like a very eager eagle waiting to catch a mouse.
You will see that there is an example that has been done for you.
अच्छा, very important. अभी से ये example नहीं आएगा. Are you clear?
Okay.
Hello. सुन रहे हैं आप?
Yes, yes.
हर्ष,
Yes, sir.
Yes
हाँ?
sir.
Example नहीं आएगा. अब से वो बंद किया है वो लोग अभी भी.
हाँ ठीक है.
ठीक है, एग्जाम्पल नहीं आएगा. सो डोंट वेट फॉर एग्जाम्पल. आप लोग स्टार्ट करते ही ये टेस्ट स्टार्ट होगा. और वन मोर थिंग व्हाट दे विल डू, यू नो, एंड इमीडिएटली बिफोर यू एक्सपेक्ट यू विल हैव 1 or 2 आंसर्स कमिंग एट द फ्रंट इटसेल्फ. सो यू हैव टू बी 100 मीटर रेस कैसे दौड़ते देखा है आपने हुसैन बोल्ट सब? You
Hmm.
have to be like
Milka
that.
Singh
You
sir.
have to be very hyper focused. Don't be distracted.
Yes.
Idhar udhar nahi dene ka. You have to be like that horse which has its blinkers on. You don't have anything
Yes.
but to listen to the answer.
Okay.
On this occasion only, the conversation relating to this will be played first.
Hello, Tourist Information Centre. Mike speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I wanted to find out about cookery classes. I believe there are some one-day classes for tourists.
Well, they're open to everyone, but tourists are always welcome. OK, let me give you some details of what's available. There are several classes. One very popular one is at the food studio.
देखा एक पहला साइन पोस्ट आया देखा
हाँ.
देखा ऐसा है साइन पोस्ट यानी फूड स्टूडियो आता है या भी आपका ब्रेन रजिस्टर होना कि आंसर आने वाला है.
Okay.
The first cooking class is at the food studio. So studio has been written in the
Now
space.
this is an example. This won't come really.
Now we shall begin.
Okay.
You should answer the questions as you listen because you will not hear the recording a second time. Listen carefully and answer questions 1 to 6.
Hello, Tourist Information Centre. Mike speaking. How can I help you?
Oh, hi. I wanted to find out about cookery classes. I believe there are some one-day classes for tourists.
Well, they're open to everyone, but tourists are always welcome. OK, let me give you some details of what's available. There are several classes. One very popular one is at the food studio.
Okay.
They focus on seasonal products, and as well as teaching you how to cook them, they also show you how to choose them.
Right, that sounds good. How big are the classes?
I'm not sure exactly, but they'll be quite small.
Okay, did you get the answer?
Yes.
Harsh,
Yes sir.
आंसर मिला नंबर 1 का.
नहीं सर मैं कंफ्यूज
नहीं सर मुझे भी नहीं मिला.
Mila.
I was also.
Yes, what
क्योंकि
is
हाउ
your-
टू कुकी बताया
Choose.
है.
नहीं,
How
आप-
to choose
एक मिनट
and
एक मिनट रोशनी
okay.
सुनो आप लोग.
Mhm.
Out about cookery classes. I believe there are some one-day classes for tourists.
Well, they're open to everyone, but tourists are always welcome. OK, let me give you some details of what's available. There are several classes. One very popular one is at the food studio.
Okay.
They focus on seasonal products, and as well as teaching you how to cook them, they also show you how to choose them.
मिला
Yes sir.
Yes.
क्या?
Choose.
How to cook them and how to choose them.
So what's
Seasonal
the
product.
answer here? 1 में आंसर क्या है ऋषभ?
How to choose and cook with a seasonal products.
Just give me the answer, no? Don't give me the whole sentence. Give me the answer.
Okay. Choose CHOSS.
Harsh, what's the answer?
Choose sir. CHOOSE.
Then why you didn't get it the first time? बोलो
Because
बोलो.
how to he said that how to cook and how to choose. So it was tricky. So we got confused.
Okay, so now what did you learn? They can change the order of
Like
the
yes, they can change. Like we don't have to stuck on the how to dash and cook with. Like we have to use common sense.
yeah. That's a good.
Yeah, so we have to understand the sentence
Yeah,
only.
that's
So maybe we will get the exact answer.
no, don't be sorry. I think he's a guy who's very funny and he has a great joie de vivre. What does joie de vivre mean? Find out later and tell me. Ready? You got the same answer?
Okay.
Roshni?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Same.
So now what you do is all of you write the answer in your notebook and show it to me. I would like to see it. Turn
Okay.
on the video and show me the answer. Like just show what you have written and zoom on to your answer.
Yeah.
Mhm.
किधर है हर्ष?
Yes, sir.
I want to see how your answers are. Roshni, show me your answers. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Now you're writing paper based, so paper based का आंसर अलग दिखना चाहिए और कंप्यूटर बेस्ड का अलग दिखना चाहिए.
Hmm.
Mhm.
What happened here? Show me the answer.
Yes,
Turn
sir.
on your videos and show me the answer. Or where is the answer? Put it on. Put your
Sir, is it
put your book in front of that camera, and I just can see that book.
sir? Actually, in my cell phone, I am unable to see. Is it started or not?
Yeah, the camera I can see. Now flip the camera, make it in the reverse camera. Huh, that's it.
But
Correct.
I cannot see in
Nahi,
my
wo-
mobile.
You have that two cameras, no, on Zoom. See that circle is there in a camera.
So check mine.
No.
Yeah. Bring yours closer, Rishabh.
सर एक्चुअली ये सेकंड और थर्ड भी आंसर इसमें था.
क्या? Choose is
सेकंड
fine.
और थर्ड का आंसर भी लिखना था.
नहीं यार, एक ही का आएगा.
सिर्फ
मुझे शुरू में ही आपका प्रॉब्लम्स फिक्स करना है ताकि बाद में आप गलतियां नहीं करना है, इसीलिए एक ही का लिख के दिखाओ.
ओके.
Roshni, see right
Yes,
now
sir.
you're showing your front camera. You do one thing. You have
Sure.
on Zoom that camera button.
Yes, I have.
Ha, now that's enough. Now don't shift it again.
Okay.
एक ही बार दबाओ.
Is it there? Okay.
Now I see. Don't do anything. Now go closer to that. Choose.
Okay.
Yeah, excellent. Show me closer. Why is that second O small? Dikha.
Yes, I have written small.
Don't do that, okay? You have to
Yes.
write everything consistent.
In,
See, आपका
okay,
C
okay.
और H छोटा है, मुझे सब एक ही लेवल में चाहिए. क्यों मालूम? ये लोग
Okay.
कंप्यूटर स्कैनर में डालेंगे ये, और स्कैनर अगर
Okay.
स्कैन करके निकालेगा कि ये छोटा वो बड़ा है, so then it will be needlessly marked as an error. So please rub that
Okay.
and make it the same standard.
Okay.
Harsh,
I'll write it.
दिखाओ Harsh. Write it and show it to me again, Roshni. Harsh, दिखाओ
Yes,
जल्दी Harsh.
यस सर, जस्ट अ मोमेंट.
एक चूज लिखने में इतना टाइम हर्ष, कम ऑन. Yes, I can.
तो दिया है.
I can see the bright light of.
एक यार.
या वेबकैम है क्या ये? नहीं, आप देखो छोटा
हाँ,
बड़ा
सर.
लिख रहे हैं. आप कंप्यूटर बेस लिखने जा रहे हो?
नो सर, मैं तो आपने बोला था ना स्मॉल में लिखना है तो स्मॉल लिख रहा था.
नहीं, आप कंप्यूटर पे
Sir, I
लिखने
have
जा रहे.
written.
Yeah, I saw that, रोशनी. That's fine. हर्ष, आप कंप्यूटर पे लिखेंगे या पेपर में लिखेंगे फाइनल एग्जाम? अच्छा, आप एक ऐसे लिख के मुझे दिखाओ, मैं बोलूंगा कंप्यूटर पे लिखना है या नहीं. ओके हर्ष?
दिख रहा है सर.
हाँ, मगर आपने मुझे जवाब नहीं दिया अब तक.
क्या सर?
आप कंप्यूटर बेस्ड टेस्ट लिख रहे हैं या पेपर बेस्ड टेस्ट?
पेपर बेस्ड टेस्ट लिख रहा हूँ सर.
हाँ, तो फिर ऑल कैपिटल्स लिखो आप. ऐसा नहीं लिखने का छोटा बड़ा.
ठीक है सर.
CHOOSE लिखाओ. जल्दी लिख के दिखाओ, अभी टाइम मत लो इतना.
सर ये बस लिख ही दिया. CHOOSE.
हाँ, दिखाओ ना मुझे. हाँ, वेरी गुड. ऐसे लिखना हमेशा. ठीक है.
ठीक है सर.
वो ऊपर क्या लिखा?
Yes, sir.
केक और पेस्ट्री. अच्छा, that is there is one more strategy. As you hear, no, this can work on the paper or something. As you hear, you write down the words that you're hearing, so that
Okay.
in case you miss out, you know that something sensible around this should come. I'll explain to you
Yes.
as this goes. See, for example, I'll show it to you in my book, okay? Whenever you
Yes.
guys are working, I'm working with you. So I'll show you
Okay.
what to do.
Right, that sounds good. How big are the classes?
I'm not sure exactly, but they'll be quite small.
And could I get a private lesson there?
I think so. Let me check. Yes, they do offer those.
अच्छा, number 2 क्या है?
Private lessons.
Very good, Roshni. Harsh, number 2 मिला? Rishabh,
No,
number
sir.
2.
No, sir.
Okay, so see now what you this is what you need to do. You should regularly listen to all those talk shows
All this talks and okay.
and do these,
Conversations.
yes, conversations, telephone calls, because
How to choose them?
Right, that sounds good. How big are the classes?
I'm not sure exactly, but they'll be quite small.
देखा small आया पहला साइन पोस्ट.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
ये देखा आप लोग ट्रैक करते जाना चाहिए क्या क्या आ रहा है. So in fill in the blanks you don't need to, because you're already getting the words. But in other things you may need to track it like
And
that.
could I get a private lesson there?
I think so. Let me check. Yes, they do offer those. Though, in fact, most of the people who attend the classes find it's a nice way of getting to know one another.
Okay, Mila answer.
Hmm.
Also offers. Roshni, what's the answer?
Private classes.
Private spelling, Roshni.
PRIVATE.
Yes, Rishabh, मिला आपको वो?
हाँ sir, private classes.
हर्ष सुनना ऐसे, हाँ?
Yes, sir.
वो लोग क्या बोले? She asked, do they offer private classes? Yes, they also do that also करके बोला. And let me check. Yes, they offer those बोला. So he didn't say yes, they offer private classes. You should hear that woman talking and her question gives you the answer. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Next.
Oh, there must be, yes.
And this company has a special deal for clients where they offer a discount of 20% if you return for a further class.
Okay, but you said there were several.
Did you get the answer?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is
Yes,
the
sir.
answer?
20%.
20%.
20% discount.
Can you write down number 3 and show me how you've written 1, 2, and 3 now?
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir.
you have to go a little more down. Bring the book down, Rishabh.
Sir, is it visible?
Now.
Yeah, Roshni not visible. Little more.
Now?
Yes. What is that private? Why are you writing private lessons? Why are 2 words there? Roshni,
Oh, yes. Yes, yes.
why are you doing 2 lessons?
You corrected. I forgot to write lesson.
Don't do that, huh? अभी देखो lessons लिखा
Yes.
ना, wrong हो जाएगा, though your answer seems to be right.
Okay.
हर्ष,
Yes, sir.
बहुत टाइम ले रहे हो यार, दिखाओ.
हाँ. Sir, one by one. एक second.
कितना टाइम लेता है? सुनते ही डाल दो ना उसमें आंसर आप. नहीं दिखाई दे रहा है. थोड़ा नजदीक लेके आओ. प्राइवेट 20%. हाँ ठीक है. गुड गुड गुड. रोशनी, प्लीज,
Yes, sir.
when they are saying write one word, आपका ब्रेन में 2 words जाना ही नहीं चाहिए.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
there's the first instruction is 1 word. Okay,
Hmm.
ready? Next, let's go to the next class.
Several classes.
That's right. Another one you might be interested in is Bond's Cookery School. They're quite new. They just opened 6 months ago, but I've heard good things about them. They concentrate on teaching you to prepare healthy food, and they have quite a lot.
You got the answer for 4, Harsh?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
Roshni, you're good.
Yes,
What
sir.
is-
I also get the answer.
I also get the answer.
Yes.
Rishabh,
Yes, sir.
get का past tense क्या है?
Got
Got.
the answer.
Ah,
Got.
what is the answer, Harsh?
Healthy.
Harsh,
Sorry, sir.
Yes, sir.
what is the answer for 4?
Sir, help.
क्या?
Healthy.
Healthy.
देखो उसको help मत करो यार. Don't help him, please. When I'm asking Harsh, Harsh, quickly answer. Harsh, नहीं मिला तो नहीं मिला बोलो.
Sir, health answer मिला है, but
अच्छा, अगर health answer है, okay, this is one strategy. Listen, if you heard health, you put the word here and then see if it makes grammatical sense. अगर food that is health करके आएगा क्या हर्ष?
नहीं सर, नहीं आएगा.
तो क्या आएगा? Food that is health के साथ क्या डालना पड़ेगा जो सही word रहेगा?
I don't know, sir.
Okay, the answer is healthy. What's the spelling of healthy?
HEALTHY.
Okay. Okay, all of you got that, I think, right?
Yes.
Okay, next answer should be given by Rishabh. Rishabh, next answer.
Okay.
Specialist staff.
So, is that food for people on a diet and things like that? I don't know if I'd be interested in that.
Well, I don't think they particularly focus on low-calorie diets or weight loss. It's more to do with recipes that look at specific needs, like including ingredients that will help build up your bones and make them stronger, that sort of thing.
Yes.
Okay.
Rishabh, what's the
Bones.
answer?
Bones.
Very good.
Bones.
You got bones, Roshni?
Yes.
Harsh.
But sir, I heard balance, sir.
Acha, you heard balance. Okay, the answer is bones. I'm sorry if my audio is not working great, but bones है answer. देखा? Strengthen है इधर. उन लोग क्या बोले? What was the word they used, Rishabh, for strengthen?
Sir, वो तो भूल गया sentence,
भूल
but
गया.
I got that one.
Okay,
Yes.
what was the word they used? You remember? Roshni?
No,
They build up your bones. लिखा.
Build up.
Oh,
Yes, build up
yes,
your
yes.
bones.
So see, what I'm saying is they'll use synonyms sometimes and you should match that.
Yes.
Okay, next, Roshni, you will give us the answer.
Yes.
I see. Well, I might be interested. I'm not sure. Do they have a website I could check?
Yes, just key in the name of the school, it'll come up. And if you want to know more about them, every Thursday evening they have a lecture at the school. It's free, and you don't need to book or anything. Just turn up at 7:30. And that might...
Okay, what is the answer, Roshni?
Lecture.
Free lecture.
Lecture.
Okay, lecture ka spelling, Harsh.
LECTURE.
Okay, the next answer everybody should write and show it to me, okay?
Okay.
Yes.
So write down till 6 all the answers, you write down till 6. Once you're finished, say
Yes.
you're done, and then 7 you will write. Don't show me now. Not now.
Okay.
Yes.
7 mein dikhao. Okay?
Mm-hmm.
Finished? Rishabh finished?
Yes.
Yes, sir, finish.
Okay, I'm starting here.
might give you an idea of whether you want to go to an actual class.
Before you hear the rest of the conversation, you have some time to look at questions 7 to 10.
So here you will keep transferring your answers if necessary in your answer sheets. Computer people, by now you have already typed in and you have sent it.
Listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
Okay, there's one more place you might be interested in. That's got a rather strange name. It's called the Aretsa Centre. That's spelled A-R-R-E-T-S-A.
Okay.
They've got a very good reputation. They do a bit of meat and fish cookery, but they mostly specialise in vegetarian dishes.
Okay, continue listening. Show me from 7, 8, 9, 10, okay? I'm not stopping it now.
Okay. Okay.
Can you start from
8.
again?
Okay, I'll start it. In the actual test, they won't start anything, huh? Okay,
Okay,
7
sir.
to 10 लिख के दिखाओ.
Called the Aretsa
1
Center.
minute.
Now listen and answer questions 7 to 10.
Okay, there's one more place you might be interested in. That's got a rather strange name. It's called the Aretsa Center. That's spelled A-R-R-E-T-S-A.
Okay.
They've got a very good reputation. They do a bit of meat and fish cookery, but they mostly specialize in vegetarian dishes.
Right. That's certainly an area I'd like to learn more about. I've got lots of friends who don't eat meat. In fact, I think I might have seen that school today. Is it just by the market?
That's right. So they don't have any problem getting their ingredients. They're right next door. And they also offer a special 2-hour course in how to use a knife. They cover all the different skills, buying them, sharpening, chopping techniques. It gets booked up quickly, though, so you'd need to check it was available.
Right. Well, thank you very much. I'll go and check that out.
Okay, have you finished entering your answers?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
4 out of 4, sir. All right.
Out of 4 आप पूरे मुझे दिखाओ answers.
Okay,
Sir
sir,
will
let's go.
decide whether it is wrong or correct.
Yeah, let us see. Roshni.
Just a moment, sir. Let me answer.
Sir, is it visible?
Yeah.
So let me know once. it
Let
is
me 1
possible.
minute. I'll make this bigger. Hang on.
सर अब मेरा 8 आ जाएगा लिसनिंग में.
Aretsa. ओ मेरे मैडम, ये क्या वेजिटेरियन का जी ऐसा क्यों लिखा है आपने?
Sorry.
वो यू लग रहा नहीं आपको?
Yes, I am correct.
अरे इतना जल्दी करेक्ट हो गया?
अभी मैंने ऐसे ही सिर्फ कर दिया.
हाँ, तो अभी वो एग्जाम में भी सोचा. हाँ, मार्केट नाइफ. ओके, वेरी गुड.
हाँ.
Good work. Yes, Harsh, show me yours.
Yes, sir. Just a moment. थोड़ा अच्छा करके भेजता हूँ.
आप भी कर रहे हैं अच्छा. ऋषभ.
नहीं मतलब वो पहले कच्चा काम किया था पक्का.
हाँ, पहले से अच्छा करके रखना है यार. Okay, Rishabh is here. Choose private. Okay, let me see Harsh. One minute. Yes, Aretsa vegetarian market knife. Very good, Rishabh. I didn't see yours.
Sir, I thought you already checked.
No,
That's
no.
why. Just a moment.
Go down.
Okay. Now.
Means raise it up, man.
Okay.
I can't see from 7.
Now.
Now it's completely dark.
Now.
Yes. Aretsa. What's the spelling of vegetarian?
VEGITARIN.
What's the spelling, Roshni?
A-
vegetarian.
VEGETARIAN.
Sir,
Yeah.
I already spelled like VEGE, but I've erased that one and I wrote like VAGI. Sorry, I marked my mistake and I will
Yeah, but you're
remember that word.
that's not the only mistake. The whole word is wrong.
Mhm.
VEGETA hai.
Okay.